guys, this is Bright Light Crypto coming at you with a quick one today. I just wanted to show you guys that a little unboxing of what I got from Maddie All In. Thank you, Maddie. A little quick shout out. Great way to onboard things. And if you want these, well, let's unbox it first. Wonder what's in here, huh? Let's take a look. Oh, two bags. I got got this from Maddie All In, solidustkey.com. Wow. Like, let's go. We got little cases to put the coin in. Three. We got Maddie's card in the box. Let's see how many of these cases. Definitely worth it, man. Like, for great onboarding things. Like, look, you get this Ethereum one. I got the 6 for if you got 6, you got an Ethereum one. So I got an Ethereum Bitcoin wallet right there. And then I'll save the best for last. He gave me Undo a Hack, second C phrase, little cards. Thank you, Maddie. And then a black one, which is cool. That's a case for the coin. And there's another white case, probably for the Pulsechain ones. Give me a bunch of cards. Yeah. I pass those out to people. And then I think that's everything in this. Yeah. And then I got 6, 4, 5, and 6 of these little Pulsechain. See that? Pulsechain. And then it comes in this little bag, and he has the little Solidus instructions and everything on it. Great for onboarding. I really appreciate these from Maddie. They're copper coins, which is cool. They're hardware wallet kind of things. I would only trust like small amounts of crypto on here, but I plan on onboarding my mayor, hopefully, well, my future mayor with one of these. We'll see. She's even up to the task. She's one of those like complete non coiners, you know. She not even really worried about money or anything like that. So we'll see. But if you want any of these, I will put a link to where you could get all the information about this. I just want to come at you with a quick video today and show you guys a little unboxing of these cold storage coins that Maddie All In sent my way. And then since I got 6 of the Pulsechain ones, he gave me one of the Ethereum ones. Got something on the back right there. I think a little instruction pamphlet. I was not expecting these little cases that came with it. That is a little bonus. That is really cool. I like that. There's 6 white ones for the Pulsechain one, and then a black one for the Ethereum one. I got some people in mind here locally, and my onboards, I'm sure, will love it, and I will most likely give them one of these cards too, which is cool. If they're even up to that task, because they're still new. Anyways, Bright Light Crypto, hit like, hit subscribe, enjoy Pulsechain, and yeah, I just wanted to come at you with a video today of showing you that. Thank you, Maddie, and peace.